Direct Consulting Associates is a company that works with health systems across the country to provide them IT talent. So we work with IT professionals that do Epic implementations, Allscripts, Cerners, project managers, help desk deployment staff, almost anybody else inside the IT space and a healthcare perspective. From a business perspective, we provide the same level of staffing. IT talent is facing a shortage right now. So if we speak specifically in the healthcare space and we go to an EMR application, the Epic, Cerner, Allscripts folks are in extreme high demand. So these are folks that are getting somewhere between 3 to 10 calls a day. Our clients are trying to find resources to fill their roles, to augment their staff for their implementations, and they're struggling very hard to find people. I've been doing healthcare consulting and IT staffing for over 20 years. So I was the guy that was on the airplane every week, going to the client sites, working on these projects. So I know what the consultants think, and I know what's important to them. When I work with our staff internally, they spend time with me at some point in their career here, understanding what it's like to be a consultant. So they have to understand why these things are important and be able to articulate those and highlight those important things. When you have a job like this from a travel perspective, there's so many things that make your day good or bad. And being able to articulate that and be able to feel that is very important. And it's also important to our customers to understand. You know, we've all worked with recruiters that have called you for many reasons that don't have a clue what they're talking about. And you know right away, they don't understand the business. They don't understand the industry. They don't understand what it's to be me. I've held both sides. I've worked on Epic implementations, as an example. I've been an IT manager. I've run project management offices. So I've had multiple levels of experience across the gamut of IT, so I can speak it and understand it. And I think that provides the connection, and it provides DCA with the ability to really find the best candidates. And there's been many ways that we've helped companies, with our services. One that comes to mind specifically is, our ability to provide fast time to hire. An organization that we recently worked with contacted us for some staff to help them on an implementation. Within a matter of a couple of days, we had the right resource in front of them. They were interviewed and hired 2 days later. So the time to hire, the speed to hire, allows the project to run at a faster rate. For a project that's having problems, not having the right resources, or waiting for resources, the costs are astronomical. So one of the things that makes DCA different is the perception that we have as a team, that we as a team must succeed for the project to succeed. It's not about finding a candidate that has the right skill sets and sticking them there. I don't feel that I'm successful until I've made the right match and that client, that consultant, has completed the engagement to success. To me, it's not done until the project's over. From a consultant perspective, a differentiator we have is that we try to seamlessly integrate one project to the next. We have a process that we start working with them near the end of their project. So we work with the client to determine what the end date's going to be. We communicate that to our consultant, who might know more than us anyways by being on the ground, and that we start working with them 6 to 8 weeks in advance to start the whole process over. Something that our clients should be aware of is that at DCA, we focus on treating consultants like family and focus on services that address the unique talents and the career paths, focusing on a work-life balance as well. Yeah, we don't treat our consultants as commodities. We treat them as people.